Young nigga got lit.
I'm in London, got my beef.
Fucking nigga got lit. Young Philip keep running out the bando rich. It's winter time, I got a candle lit. Where man I go gang go. Ay, I stay low, watch my stack grow. Nigga got rich. Young nigga came out the bando lit. I took risk, press forward, the bank grew big. Big problems, nothing the man can't fix. Young Philip came out the bando, bitch, you got lit. Hey, 6. Young Philip came out the bando rich.
Came in like the man. Your show taking to your fans. Big someone try to get my fans off me. With the pen couldn't get the bands off me. Your bitch dance on me. Talking shit, says she's a fan of me. Got my body got to get the fan off me. Tell Mitch she can't stand with me. That's so quick, nigga, that's awkward. Roll up the backwards. Funny cause we only move forwards. They used to ignore us. Now they adore us. We never lose focus. Walk around, now they applaud us. The money's so moorish. The diamond's so flawless.
Fucking nigga got lit. Young Philip keep running out the bando rich. It's winter time, I got a candle lit. Where man I go gang go. Ay, I stay low, watch my stack grow. Nigga got rich. Young nigga came out the bando lit. I took risk, press forward, the bank grew big. Big problems, nothing the man can't fix. Young Philip came out the bando, bitch, you got lit. 6. Young Philip came out the bando rich.
About 100 bands on me. Diamonds gon' dance on me. Trip out the France on me. Look at this tan on me. She got a plan on me. Yeah, all of these brands on me. In a big truck, when she throw that ass up, and I bet she land on me. Don't fuck with the click, man, it's homicide. Hammer time, and you know that it's drama time. Word up, we'll leave a nigga traumatized. ASAP, and you know we got the mob ties. Right now, I see you looking like I'm all white. Go half on a baby like all night. In a brand new Mercedes, and it's all white. Man, I know they gon' hit me, but it's alright. Man, I know they gon' hit me, but it's alright. I done pulled up with the product from the archives. Now you know a nigga buzzing like a beehive. Hey, you know a nigga stunting in a G5. And you know we can't stop, cause we on the grind. We be getting it, got guap on our mind. I could take your bitch, you could get one of mine. Cause we getting lit, know a nigga finna shine.
Fucking nigga got lit. Young Philip keep running out the bando rich. It's winter time, I got a candle lit. Where man I go gang go. Ay, I stay low, watch my stack grow. Nigga got rich. Young nigga came out the bando lit. I took risk, press forward, the bank grew big. Big problems, nothing the man can't fix. Young Philip came out the bando, bitch, you got lit. 6. Young Philip came out the bando rich.
No days off, no days off, no days off.
Agent Schrader, I'd like you to meet Andrew Kaufman of the Adobe Hotel.
Hey, Kai, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Paul Conterna of Conterna Real Estate.
Hey, it's a pleasure. Good to meet you.
And Gustavo Frank of Los Pollos Hermanos.
How many times would they say I'm the smoothest? Truth is I never not moved this way. My trench coat leather, my shoes are suede. Biggie don't step on my Pumas, babe. Walk ages in these trainers, but I ain't tripped when they losing faith. You know I've been tested without a question. Why they on net doing Q&A? She say I'm a son of a gun, but really miss me like she shooting strays. It's cool, it's great, but it's more fun when you use your waist. Made in a manner like Kano, where they're able use a moving K. And searching for P's on my P's and Q's, man, step out the queue, you can lose your place. And I seen it, bro, and you see I'm the CEO. Teaching my team how to aim for the head and no waist, on no lead, on no knees and toes. Briefings in the board meetings with the G's them, but they been involved. How you waiting up on street with bro? Only Jesus.